She's Chimran, guys. Chimran. Since she's not introducing herself, let us just assume that she's Chimran. Abhi batao ya fir Chimran bolu.
Chimran.
So finally she described her name. Now let me introduce you this person. He's going along with us and the bhaiya. Okay. So I'm gonna show you more when I reach there. Right now, let us see. See you. We're just out from the place where we stayed. Right now we are almost there in the highway. So so she's explaining to us which place is located where. Just so kind of her. Let's know more what else she'll have to say. और कुछ यहाँ पे सामने में
अभी तो नहीं है कुछ
अच्छा आने से बताएगा ना So she's gonna tell us what's in here. Okay. I wish I could flip the camera so that you can see all the surrounding. Anyway, let me just flip it by myself. So. कौन सी तरफ?
लेफ्ट साइड में जो जा रहे हैं ना
ये तरफ में that तरफ is their house. अच्छा तुम दोनों को वहाँ पे अंदर में
हाँ अंदर में
उसका
इसका मिलेगा उसका ज़्यादा अंदर मेरे पास
अच्छा मतलब तुम लोग नजदीक में रहता है डिफरेंस है
डिफरेंस है थोड़ा सा
That is the hill that you can see here in Guwahati. The rest where you all can see is highway and busy streets. Marshmallow guys. Stone from the side. It's huge. She's offering bomb. I mean, this girl is offering bomb to born. Bomb. Almost bomb. Just hear it goes.
तुम खरीद के लेकर जाओ और वहाँ पर
These guys have a perfect match. They really made a bond. Like,
फिर तुम घर जाएगा
so
फिर
good,
निकलेगा
guys. Look at this. I just posted this like yesterday. I like it, but I don't know how do you feel. How do you guys find it? We haven't reached yet. It's first time for me to come like along with his friends, or else I never come with anybody except Dada. Dada is the one who will always take me to the new places. I owe him, like seriously. It's the best. I'll mention you every detail. Okay. Let me just tell you one thing. When I reach Fancy Market, I'm going to show you detail what's there, what not, so that you also will get information on it, guys. She said that her college is somewhere here. कहाँ पे? पहुँचने वाला है? हाँ, पहुँचने वाला है. She said पहुँचने वाला है. देखो देखते हैं कौन सा है उसकी कॉलेज. हाँ.
इसी के अंदर में है
This is our college, guys. This is our college. College का नाम वैसे क्या है? Whoever are from Guwahati, please mention me how is this college. Therefore, Fancy Bazaar, you have to head up into this highway. Train station. This is the highway. Here's the place, yeah.
A few moments later.
I have to get them from here. We finally reached Fancy Market, guys. This is the place, and at the back side you can see that new bridge. We'll be going inside, roaming around. So this is the cab that we have coming for. What's wrong with my communication? It's not coming out. Anyway, let's see that. Now we're going back side. Finally here at Fancy Market. Taxi stop. Bomb. कौन खरीदेंगे? Crackers are staying here. नहीं पता कितना है वो सेलिंग प्राइस वहाँ पे? दाम होगा? And the rickshaw. हम लोग और कहाँ से वॉक करना पड़ेगा? आगे में? Let me see it. Let us see ourselves here. kesar badam. She told me to have that kesar badam. Just so good. She told me that if I drink that, that drink gonna be my favorite. So let us just try how it gonna taste. Since you compliment about it a lot. Guys. So she said it's here. Oh, क्या है? Badam shake. She said it's badam shake. It's located here, opposite to this tall campus, and we are in the middle of this thing. Wow, the temple is quite nice. I haven't seen it. It's nice. Let us just drink this drink. How it gonna taste? कैसा है? You like it?
100% है.
So this is the drink she told me.
परिवार में घुसेगा.
Okay, let's try. I love it, guys. She suggests it's right. And whenever you're here in Guwahati, just try this. What is this? American tourist. Just next to this place, okay. Badam shake. That goes the train. इसको लड़की का चप्पल चाहिए. Keep it. Let me just try. ये बेल बिना बेल का चाहिए अंकल.
वो बेल को ऊपर रखिए ना आप. स्कूटी जब चलाइएगा बेल लगा लीजिएगा. दोनों काम करेगा.
So I've come to this stall for this
ठीक है.
shoe.
बिना बेल का हम लोग लाते ही नहीं है. वो आ जाता है बंडल में.
But मुझे बिना बेल का अच्छा लगा अंकल जी.
ये इसको ऊपर रखो ना. इसको ऊपर रखो ना. बेल तोड़ देता है.
Which is one sweater here which I literally forget to take a video. Okay, let me just see what are they buying it. कितने भैया? Okay, first choose. Select करो please. Purchase this watch at 200. तूने क्या बोला? फिर से बोला?
2000 के लिए मत लो इधर से.
मतलब 200 कमाल तुम दो और एच जीरो क्या? वाह, अच्छा लॉजिक है इसका तो. यही तो स्टॉक अच्छा पसंद आया. चलो देखते हैं और क्या मिलेंगे यहाँ पे. I don't see much different. I mean, from our own Meghalaya, PP, and this place, it's almost like similar only. But the only difference which I can see is that big building out there. Right now, it's still not there. Let me show you when I reach there. Okay, beautiful junkas here near this hotel. Whenever you come here, please get this place. We have this Ganesh juice again. I know it's unhygiene, but still I prefer to drink this since I really want to. This one is next to this building. I'm having it here. So we are supposed to go there in the middle of the market. People suggest me to go there. So let's see what's in there. Okay. जो भी okay. You बात कर लो. चिंदन हमें कुछ नहीं बोलना. बन वाला ना. चलो लेट्स वेट करते हैं आफ्टर दिस जूस के साथ रिजल्ट होता है ना. I have mentioned in the previous video that unhygienic food are more tasty. For example, this one. This juice of bakar. I'm done with this juice and I feel relief after having the juice because last time when I came here, Dada treated me that the juice and really want to have that again. So I finally get to try the water and I really feel good. Wow, thank you. Thank you. चलो देखते हैं अभी क्या होता है. For you. This shirt are available at just ₹150. Why these people shouting? I don't know. लड़ाई क्या हुआ कंगन? लड़ाई हुआ क्या? ओह अच्छा अच्छा
मेरा
अच्छा.
साइज का देखिए ना, आपका साइज कितना है?
ये कितने के भैया? कितने के? 200. This kurta you'll get around 200 guys. How much? How much? I like it, but I think this is too big for you. It'll be good. 300 jackets.
150, 150, 150, 150.
I don't know why, but I find ये सब नया है या फिर trip है? Maybe one is far more better when it comes to this fancy market. But let's see what's there in front.
Speak.
I don't know what should I say. It's unlucky or it's unlucky day or maybe we have came to the wrong time. Today there's puja going on here. You know, we are here for buying things, and then those people are not sitting here because of the pujas going on, and all the streets are empty because of the puja. Like I have told you. So we have to go empty-handed, but for the memories, I already buy one, but still I want more. Let's see. Oh, sorry. कहाँ? Move to what's left. Let's see. This is enough for today. I leave fancy market and I thought I'll be coming tomorrow again. For some more shopping, actually we have bought a lot. It costs more than 3,000 shopping we did, including trip and shopping from the stall as well. So I was thinking I will end this video right here now only, since I'm getting so tired. I've been working from that time till now non-stop, so obviously it's an obvious for me to get tired. I'll be leaving out. Altogether in total 2 cups of ganne ki juice. It's pineapple juice. Those people are burning crackers right now. You can't. Wow. I'm in shock, guys. Diwali celebration is going on, so you can see all the decoration. All this decoration is for Diwali. It's because of Diwali, but I guess this is masjid. Huh? So we are heading towards the Guwahati fancy market, vegetable market, and here you will see a route for the train. Here you can get a chickens. Oh my god, look at it. Look at it, guys. Wow. You'll get the Diwali crackers also. I was thinking something is burning out there, but my bad. This is train. This is the train station. It's quite silent. Looks scary though. Had to walk all along to Paltan Bazaar to get our cab. She's the one who's going to take us there. Find this dog in a way, and she's pregnant. I have to feed her water. She's pregnant. Leaving this video now, and I shall continue tomorrow. Right now, bye bye.
Stretch my hand, blow my cup, just goes up. Nothing